We're going to hear from our final presenter, Brant, or Mr. K, who will talk about gamification for training user interface skills, pirate ship battle. And then he will invite us on a pirate ship quest.
So, mic check. Can everybody hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay, here's my poster board. So that I would just sort of go into the moment, into the idea of an immersive, interactive experience. Yeah, a field trip, definitely. So I think the easiest way to do this would for me to just put the Slurl in chat and I'll go there. So hopefully we can all make it.
Sounds good.
Okay, do you guys see that link?
Yes.
Okay, let's all go there and I'll meet you there. Okay, so you can see that it says on the Slurl that it's Get Scrooged because we did a Christmas Carol simulation in the skybox far above. But the idea here is to create an interface for the student user interface of Second Life, the basic idea of walking, opening things, making things. But the skill that I wanted to focus on was because the assignment would be for the students to build a video, and as anybody who's done machinima production in Second Life is familiar with, the video requires the ability to focus and pan and zoom. So how can I teach camera control skills in a fun way and motivate the students to try to learn the things that I want them to? So I think that's kind of the essence of. So you can see the harbor here. We've got and then one big looking pirate ship. And if you just use your camera view from the avatar perspective, you can try clicking on one of the cannons and you'll see that it fires. So go ahead and click on a cannon that you see. On the pirate ship, you can also click and fire back from the little ships. The middle cannon can fire back. So the idea is to take interactive objects and make it part of the assignment, part of the game itself. Now, from our perspective over here, it's hard to really utilize all the cannons. There's 50 cannons on that big pirate ship, and the goal is to sink the little ships. So, you know, death and destruction as a great motivator. I think comic books have always kind of lived up to that idea. But if you use camera controls and you zoom in on the pirate ship, get where the cannons are pointing, should I click, and you'll see that the little ships will, and then burst into flame and then sort of explode with a big puff of steam. So the idea here is to develop, as I said, psychomotor skills required for camera control, panning, zooming, and hopefully harness that fun factor to motivate the students. Go ahead and try it yourself. Yeah, it puts a bit of a load on the sim, but the loop around, tack on the other side of this little harbor. Yes, the pirate ship doesn't explode. Hold on a second. I've got. Yes. Okay. There we go. Some kids' alarm just went off in the background. So the ships will reset. The little ships will reappear. So every few minutes the game can be played again. And yeah, that is kind of the basic idea of the fun factor of shooting things and watching them explode. It's basically a pretty, but purpose is to controls. The idea is that if they learn the required zooming and panning, that they will be able to play the game more effectively. You can also play the game as a group, 2 or 3 or 4. Yes, make it definitely. That's the idea that I'm to work on as a game. Any questions or observations? Point here, they're limited, but if, for example, if anybody wants to try it on the ship and select plunder, there's at least 2 positions you can be at the con. There we go, princess. And you can also get up in the crow's top of the mast. Perspective on the boat, it's even more clear. You have a very limited using the viewpoint from your avatar. But if you use camera, fire, win the game. Ships around here can cannonballs. So it's a pretty simple game. Learning curve down to something manageable. Address specific outcomes that I want the students to acquire. So, well, that's basically my presentation. I thought it'd be more fun than just a slideshow, to kind of be in the moment, immerse yourself in the experience, and try it on yourself.